how to add a motion mouse tracking effect like this with Elementor free and without a plugin. This is actually a paid feature, but today I will show you how to do this for free and without a plugin. As you can see, I have also added an image. You can do it with any widget in Elementor. So let me go ahead and show you how to do this step by step, and make sure to watch the whole video so you don't skip any steps. Alright, let me go ahead and start from scratch by deleting the whole section. And the first thing we'll do is create a section, and inside that section I will put a container. So I will just give it a width and a height for 500 and 750. And then I will insert a video background. I found this video at YouTube, which is really cool. I'll just copy the URL and insert it here. And then maybe do a little bit of tweaking by just changing the background image and making this color gradient color effect. The opacity I will change to 1, and the angle is, or the location is 85, and then I'll just put it at top center. Alright, so the first thing I will insert in the container is a button. This is the top button that you saw on the final result. I'll just write welcome to Digimax and just change the layout of the button with some radius and some padding. I'll just go ahead and remove the background and make the text white, and then put a border, a pink border with 1 pixel. Alright, so I also had some text. I will just use lorem ipsum and just make this not white but maybe gray, and the font is Enter. Alright, and then the final result also had 2 buttons at the bottom. I will just go ahead and make these and just copy the style from the other button. Alright, so the buttons are almost done. One last thing is to make this uppercase, and then the most important thing is to find this HTML widget, insert it, and go to this link. I will put it in the description. This is all the code you have to use for this video. This is just one big line of code, and I will just copy it over here and add it in here. And as you can see, we are actually almost done now. But there is just one thing I just want to change, and that is at the top. We will maybe need a little bit of padding just to make it look better. Alright, I will update it now and open it in a new tab just to see how it looks. And as you can see, it's moving and it's actually working. It's really cool. I will just show you in here. You can see you have to refresh before this animation will work. Now it works, just if you are a bit confused about that. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you how to insert an image like this. For that, you have to navigate to your WordPress control panel and go in the media library. You'll just have to find this image or the image you want to use. I'll use this and copy the URL. And then you'll have to find line 3. I'll just zoom in so you can see where I'm at here. And then you have to paste in the URL. And as you can see, it's just working like a charm. Alright, so that was how to insert an image. How about changing the text up here? Then you'll have to move to find line 1, and just as you can see here, I can write anything, and it's actually as simple as that. What is really cool about this is that you can actually edit it live. Alright, so that was it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know and write them below. I will try my best to answer them. Bye.